Push it. Oh, no, don't. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Look, what's in there? Those are mice. What's over there? Okay, come on. Hold on, Chris. We'll go over there. Come on. Push Mommy first. Come on. Ooh. What's in there? Ooh, there's mice in there. Mommy doesn't like mice. You see? Wow, there's more hamster in there. You see them? Yeah. Don't ever want one, okay? Because you're not getting one. Despite what your Aunt Tracy might tell you. You see them in there? They move? They're moving in there. They're cold. Ooh, they're shivering. You see him in there? They're shivering in here, Piper, look. They're cold. Oh, you. Hi. Say hi. Can you wave to them? Say hi. Hi, hamsters. Oh, there's the mice. Look at him run on the wheel, Piper. Yay! Good job. Look at her stand there. Don't eat your sweater, honey. Oh, that's that.